In the beginning was the Word. Here's a spirit insight on the power of words. Indeed, words are like a double-edged sword. They can create or destroy. Create beautiful things, be the beginning of amazing things, but they can also destroy. They can build, they can tear down, they can damage. Both wena, yourself, what you say about yourself, what you believe about yourself, because you would then create all types and kinds of words to describe yourself, to describe maybe your situation, to describe people around you, to describe environments, to describe experiences. So be mindful and learn the process of reframing izinto that you may have given very negative names to, or you have given negative words to describe internally about yourself, but also about others. Those things that you would find yourself saying maybe to people, to your children, that might have a lasting, devastating effect on others. Because remember, what you speak out, what you say out, it goes out there, it creates a vibration and an energy that comes back to you. So it's not only about saying positive things about yourself, but also being mindful about the negative things that we say to others or about others. It creates a resonance in the universe that comes back to you as this person that speaks out those words. Yeah, I could not do the 4 a.m. session due to a flu, but as I promised myself, and I put out a word to say I will show up. This is me showing up. So those things that you have said, those things that you have promised yourself, you spoke out words and you said you will do, you said you will stop doing, you said you are committing to, you said you are divorcing yourself from, you spoke words. In the beginning was the Word. So konke kuqala ngezwi. So let us be mindful. Let us choose our words very carefully. Let us be mindful of the things that we let out of our mouths, because it creates a resonance, it creates a type of an energy, it creates a vibration that at the end lands back with us. May the words that come out of your mouth, it's a practice, it's a process, it's not an overnight thing. Be words that build, be words that encourage, be words that motivate, be words that are positive, so that now that is what you will attract. Have a good evening.